Good day, mate. What's going on? A video. Crazy teacher sending us another video. What's he want us to figure out now? Oh yeah, he puts those rubrics as replies under comment after we turn in an assignment. I don't even know if I look at those. Maybe give it a little glance over, but it's a lot of reading. Well, maybe this time I'll look at it because he's sending a video on why I should look at it. So let me see here. We got learning focus. Okay, as we scroll through here. Apex exam tip. Short answer practice questions. That would probably be pretty good. And we're scrolling. Oh, AP exam tip again. Point of view. How did American and Soviet viewpoints differ over the post-war fate of Europe? That's page 754. I wonder if the rubrics that he attaches as our comments after we turn in assignments, I wonder if those rubrics address these questions, like on page 755, contextualization. Maybe it tells us about contextualization, because we're going to have to know that, how to do that for the AP exam. So it probably answers that, and then we get an idea what contextualization is. What page was that? 755. I'm going to check out that rubric and see if it has anything regarding page 755. Ooh, analyzing the evidence, DBQ practice, 757. I wonder if on that rubric it gives us feedback, page 757. Page 58, AP exam tips, questions for analysis, page 759. Once again, I'm thinking I might want to look over that rubric that Mr. Gorman attaches, because it may help me with this. Just thinking, possibly. AP exam tip, page 761. I wonder how many of these things that compare and contrast. I wonder if they got something on page 763. And that rubric Mr. Gorman attaches to our comments after we turn in the assignments. And I could use that rubric and use this textbook and get a lot of good tips. Compare and contrast again. Page 764, anything on that? Nah, but look, contextualization on page 765 again. If I'm not exactly sure what that is, I'm going to check that out. I'm going to open up my textbook on one side. I'm going to open up the rubric on the other side. And I'm going to scroll both of them and make comparisons to what they're saying here compared to what's going to be on the rubric. Yeah, that's a great idea.